Y'all, how cute is this hairstyle? Oh my gosh, I love it. So as y'all see here, we need clips in order to achieve this hairstyle. We need clips. And this here is the hair that we're going to use. I ended up using 8 bundles of those. And then just a couple of rubber bands. And then the jam and hair grease. That red bottle there, I ended up not even using. But yes, yeah, that one there, that red bottle. Yep, so 4 packs of those. As you see, I stretched the hair and I ended up splitting that in half. And then here, got to stay hydrated. Yep, so here we are. I sectioned my hair out. It does not have to be perfect, as you will see. And there is the back of the hair. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect, but close enough. And the top of the hair. All right, so here we are. We got the back done. And here, I showed you how I split the hair. Yep, split it there. Fold it in half, pull it, stretch it a little more, just a tiny bit of the jam that we needed. Just kind of rub that through the hair so it holds better to the weave itself. And then we begin to braid. I braided down about 5 times, and then you'll see that after that I twisted the hair down. There you'll see, twist. Yeah, we're braiding it down, and then it's going to go down to a twist. Twist, 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 twist. And here we're starting the top of the hair. I was so happy. I was finally making progress, or at least it seemed like I was making progress. Yep. And then I saw the back of the hair, and yeah, I was over it at this point. This hairstyle, it took me about 2 days to do it because I was doing it myself and taking my good old time with it. And there you are, the beautiful results. I love this hair. I love the color. I love the twist. I love the length on it. I love everything about this hairstyle. So if y'all made it this far into the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you for watching.